Jai Mahakaal. I welcome you all to Tantra and Kundalini Shakti channel. The most commonly asked question here is, what is Tantra? Tantra in short is basically the teachings, the sutras which Lord Shankara, who has 5 heads, gave to Mata Parvati from different directions. This is where different sutras came into origin. This is Tantra in brief. Now the second most commonly asked question is, what is Kundalini Shakti? Kundalini Shakti is basically a feminine power, a feminine Shakti. It's a kind of a serpent like movement which happens from your base chakra towards your crown chakra in your spinal cord. This is what you can say in short about Kundalini Shakti. This is basically an introductory video of our channel where I thank you all for subscribing to our channel, and I welcome all those people who are new to our channel and would tell them to subscribe and jump in with us to this beautiful journey of Tantra and Kundalini Shakti. Why I am here? I am basically here to show and teach the right path to the people who want to learn but don't have any guru to teach them. Because normally what I have seen is there are many people, millions of people who have either started learning without a guru from different kind of channels and different kind of people all around the world and fall into problems related to Tantra and Kundalini Shakti because they get wrong information from some different source and they are not able to rectify the problem now and they have made a hell out of their life. So I would tell you all to just stop for a moment, subscribe to our channel and start watching the videos which we are going to share in this channel, where we are going to tell you about real Tantra and Kundalini activation, the real Himalayan way. Where in this channel we are going to discuss real Tantra and real Kundalini activation, real Kundalini Shakti, how it happens, what is it, how you can actually achieve the superpowers and abilities, and most of it you can actually achieve, but first of all there are some requisites for it. So now what are those requisites? Requisites are you a good man by heart? Have you killed your ego? Do you speak lies? Are you a noble heart? A noble man? So stay tuned for another video. Thanks a lot.